Hey guys, in this lecture I'll show you how you can quickly resize a graphic post that you have just created to fit all your social media channels easily and quickly without needing to waste your time repeating the whole process again. And this is really a time saver feature, especially if you are working on a specific marketing campaign and you want to have different dimensions of your master campaign design to upload it on your social media channels or print it out as posters, flyers, and so on and so forth. So here is the graphic post that we have created. So as you might know that this is an Instagram story size, the first step to do is to click anywhere in space here to get the design properties panel. And here click on the Resize tab. Here you get all the size dimensions presets. They are the same size dimensions that you get in the very first screen that you get when creating a graphic post on Adobe Spark. You also have the custom option as well. So here once you select any, it will resize your post right away and you could preview it on the left side. If, for example, the magical resize didn't make your image fit in properly, like this one for instance, as you can see the image is way too much zoomed in. In this case, you can simply select the image and scale it down and do whatever you would like to place it in a way that you like. So this is all what you need to know about the magical resize option. Very simple and very straightforward. The next thing I would like to show you is how to save your project in a specific name or title. You will go up here, make one left click on this pencil-shaped icon, and start typing in the name you want this project to be called. Then make one click anywhere outside. Now if you want to go back to the project screen, you click on Projects here. If you do remember, this is the screen that you get directed to once you log in your account on Adobe Spark. So here we got our very first creative project, tagged as a post, which is the type of the project. This is a graphic post. When you click on these three dots here, you see that you have several options. You can rename the project, duplicate it, or create another copy of it, download it, unpublish it, or delete it. And you can click on this edit here to open it and start proceeding working on it or applying any updates you want. Great! So we are now done with the graphic post and ready to move on and start creating the second awesome thing that you can create using Adobe Spark, which is a web page. So congratulations guys, I'm so proud of you for reaching that far. But before moving on to the next section, let's wrap up the main points we have learned throughout this lecture. We will also quickly summarize the highlights of this section before moving to the next one. So in this lecture, we have learned how to quickly and easily resize a graphic post in Adobe Spark, how to save a project in a specific name, how to rename a project, duplicate it, remove it, download it, or unpublish it. Now let's quickly recall the highlights of creating a graphic post that we have covered in details throughout this section. So what does it take to create a graphic post in Adobe Spark? Select a size, add photos, and this is an optional step that you can skip. Then you will be directed to the workspace where you can set a design, add and adjust text, add and adjust images, add icons, and finally add logos. And as we mentioned before, this feature is for only premium accounts. Then once done, you can download it in image or PDF format, or choose to share it directly from your Adobe Spark to your Facebook, Twitter, email, or copy the link or share it in a classroom. Perfect! I hope you are enjoying so far. If you do have any questions or if anything that is unclear to you, please post your question on the discussion board and I'll reply as soon as possible. Now are you ready to start our next journey to create a nice web page to promote or showcase your work, or maybe create a nice portfolio to yourself? Alright, so let's dive right into the next section, so I'll see you there.